Do you have an error preventing the Mxdwdrv.dll DLL from loading? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I've diagnosed the issue and have the verified solution to fix your system today. To start the walkthrough for Mxdwdrv Driver, you can use my manual guide or the suggested resource for system optimization. This is the Mxdwdrv Driver, the Microsoft XPS Document Driver library. It is the engine that facilitates the print to XPS and print to PDF features in Windows. It manages the translation of document data into the XPS spooler format. If corrupted, the Microsoft Print to PDF printer will disappear from the printer list or will result in a generic printing failed error in all applications. Enough of the technical side. Let's get these files back onto your system. Mxdwdrv is maintained by Windows itself. Run the system file checker by typing sfc/scannow in an elevated command prompt to detect and repair system-level file issues. In the event the error remains visible, it indicates we need to verify the environment's ability to register new shared resources. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Mxdwdrv driver file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. With the restart confirmed as ineffective for this instance, let's analyze the registry settings next. If you need to pause the video while navigating the registry editor, feel free. If those core system files are still missing after the restart, we'll use DISM to pull fresh copies from the cloud. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM /online /cleanup image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this triggers a deep cloud sync to replace corrupted local system manifests with verified master files directly from Microsoft servers. I want to share a quick best practice that will help you avoid security complications in the future. Ensure your PC remains under warranty and functional by avoiding the manual manipulation of high-level library files like Mxdwdrv DLL. For those who prefer a structured maintenance plan, you can access an official diagnostic resource at the link below. If missing library references are a concern, the suggested resource below provides general system maintenance information. I hope this walkthrough provided the clarity you needed to fix Mxdwdrv. Please like the video to support the channel and subscribe for more system-level tutorials.